So in 2018, I swam around Great Britain, but that wasn't the end for me. And ever since, Iceland has just kind of been sitting there, just tempting me. When you look at the elements, it becomes less about swimming and more about survival. It's in a completely different league. 100-foot waves, 100-mile-per-hour winds, iceberg lagoons, you have volcanoes. It's just another level of resilience and endurance. As a marathon sea swimmer, the ocean becomes your home, and as a result, you want to minimize your impact to the environment. And one of the ways we're doing this is firstly Clipper, who are an amazing sailing organization, but BMW as well, who as a brand are amazing, but specifically it's the BMW iX, which is an electric car with an immense range, which just makes sure that we can actually support all of the land logistics while minimizing our impact on the environment at the same time, which is so important to us. To prepare for the swim, I've actually come to the Highlands in Scotland. Because of the cold temperatures, the wind, the waves, it's just a place to basically harden the body, focus the mind, and sort of refine the senses. The landscape is so vast, to say the least. So you really need a car like the iX, so you know that you can bounce between lochs, frozen fjords, and to harbours without having to worry about running out of range. My absolute favourite feature has to be the preconditioning heating. Reason being, I am swimming in lochs multiple times throughout the day, and to know that you can get in a vehicle that is preheated to 28 degrees, it just means recovery begins immediately as soon as you shut the door. It's unbelievable. I cannot stress how amazing it's been for my training. I need to completely focus on swimming, and knowing that we have this back on land, it just means I have complete confidence that the expedition will keep on moving.